Helene, congratulations, 14-13 this morning. You've ripped the tournament apart.
Yes, it was fun to bowl here. It's a little bit slow start in the morning, but the last 3 games was very good.
What were they?
I don't know, maybe 750 or something.
Wow, that's incredible, because this is your first squad. You didn't bowl yesterday.
No, this is my first.
You arrived last night?
Yes, I do.
And you're showing everybody how to do it? You're holding a master class.
Yeah.
But tell me, you know, I've always rated you as one of the absolutely the best bowlers in Europe, but you don't have the time to bowl all the tournaments. Would you like it to be that way?
It's correct. I have a work at home. I work 14 hours a week, so I don't have to go every European tournament. So we'll see in the future. Maybe I come back and play a little more into the World Championship.
Oh, you're very welcome. And the World Championships next year.
Yes.
Maybe Hong Kong, maybe Malaysia. It's still to be decided. But, you know, we look forward to seeing you there. And congratulations on an incredible performance this morning.
Thank you.
Camilla Kelson, once again, top of the tree on the tournaments. What did you have for breakfast today that made you bowl 14-24 and put Helen Jonsson into second place for the 14-13?
I had some very good eggs and a good glass of juice. That was good.
So that's the secret of your bowling, is a good breakfast.
And then a good coffee at Starbucks.
But these aren't easy lanes, and to get 1400 is a tremendous achievement.
Thank you.
But how did you find it going from pair to pair across the house?
It's still some difference, but after yesterday I had a game plan today, so I know what to do when the lanes start changing. So I was more sure of what to do when the lanes get a little bit tougher. So that was easier for me today than yesterday, because I had a game plan.
Yeah, yesterday you told me you used the same ball across all six games. Did you change that ball, or did you use the same one today?
I tried another one in the beginning just to see the difference, but at the end I used the same ball. I did the same thing as I did yesterday, but I was more sure today, so it's easier for me to score high when I'm sure of the game I have.
This is a really good tournament. It's a very friendly tournament, but very competitive, with girls from South America and from right across Europe. So how do you rate the tournament?
Well, I think it's pretty nice that it's finally just ladies. I miss tournaments where we only meet the ladies. It's sometimes, I like it that way.
Congratulations to Clara Guerrero from Colombia, the tournament favourite this year, and just bowled 14.08, and that's third position on the overall standings now. So this was your second or third entry today?
This was the only one today, but I bowled yesterday and I had only 59 overs, so definitely I made some adjustments today and they worked out.
What did you do? You change your bowling ball or change the line on the lane?
Yesterday I started pretty good in first, but the transition I didn't hit it so well, so I started pretty close than yesterday, but then I changed some balls and I just changed the angles whenever I hit the third game, and that definitely worked out.
Yeah, the scores have been pretty good today, 3 1400s. That's pretty good for girls.
Yes, I think so. I think today they were not as touchy as yesterday. Yesterday they were definitely a little bit more complicated. You definitely had to have your angles close, and today was just a better day, and I think the lanes were a little bit more playable.
Yeah, the oil to 40 feet, that's a good line for women.
I think so, and they didn't, the lines that you had to play for these partners are pretty simple. We could always start outside probably like around 8 and then just move slightly. The deepest that I went was probably like 13 or 12, so that's pretty much what we love as girls, so not too bad.
Yeah, watching the play yesterday, the corner pins were very stubborn and they fell down today.
Yes, they definitely did for me. I'm really happy.
So you're third position in the finals tomorrow, and you've got to start bowling at 8:30 in the morning, so you've got to get a good night's sleep. So thank you for talking to us, and good luck tomorrow.
Thank you very much.